Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mohammad Rakib of Lendi College. I'm going to do an activity called Celebrity Interview, and the celebrity share his Sir, are you ready, sir? Hello.
Hello.
Hello, are you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
Are you ready, sir?
Yes, Mr. Rakib.
My first question to you, my first question is to you is, where did you complete your education?
I have done my academics from Kendriya Vidyalaya Steel Plant and later my technical qualification in mechanical engineering from Andhra University.
Okay. Okay. The second question I'm giving to you is, what was the first thing you did as an entrepreneur?
To start any business, we need to first gather the information from where we get the parts for the business. Like my business is trading of spare parts, like heavy earth moving and mining machinery spare parts, in which I have to gather information from where I can source the material. That is the first thing which I have done, and later on we have to do registration of the firm and what do you call goods and service tax.
How did you overcome them?
Yeah, in my business I was facing
Hello.
many problems, but the initial, yeah, in my business I was facing many problems. The initial it was selling of our parts. Like how do we sell our parts in how do we introduce our parts in the market was the main challenge for us. But for that to overcome that, I have taken a service person, service engineer. We have recruited service engineer who will be going on to the machines and visiting, doing health checkups for the machines, and he will be giving us the parts. What are the parts? He will be recommending the parts required to keep the machine in healthy condition.
Okay, my next question to you is, how did you learn entrepreneurship and at what age?
Uh, I would say that before I started my career in,
Hello?
yeah. Hello. Hello. Is it audible? Hello.
Yes. Am I
Yeah,
audible?
yeah. Actually,
Yes, it's audible.
I started my career in a company uh, in which was doing a trading business of heavy earth moving and mining machinery spare parts. And from there, I got an idea of getting into business. And at that time, my age was 25.
Okay, my next question to you is, what responsibilities do you have on a daily basis in the company?
We need to compete with the local market prices. When the spare parts we supply is of a branded company, but we need to compete with local market prices and we need to match them and supply to the end user. And this is the main we'll be facing the issue in day to day life. And getting we need to give credit facilities to the market. As in today's market, we need to give credit facilities unless the end user won't purchase from us. So getting back the credits is also a big challenge for us.
Okay, my next question to you is, how did you feel when you started your entrepreneurship? Was it tough?
It was great. I felt very great that I had to accept many challenges.
Okay. Okay, my next question to you is, what are your future plans or goals which you would like to achieve?
My future plans, I would like to expand my business in other parts of Andhra Pradesh. As I am the distributor of entire Andhra Pradesh, so I need to open branches in other locations too. So my future plan is looking for expansion in other parts of Andhra Pradesh. And in achievement, I have achieved the target
Okay,
incentive
okay,
given by the company in the year 2018-19.
nice. Okay, okay. My next question to you is, if you have one piece of advice for any entrepreneur who is just starting out, what would it be? Hello.
If yeah, if anybody is starting having an idea or he is interested in doing a business, I would rather suggest him that he has to do in the field where he has a knowledge. He should not be dependent on others for that business. I would suggest that he should have handle he should independently handle that business. He should not be dependent on others for his business.
Okay, my last question to you is, do you want to give any message to other students who want like to start an entrepreneurship or something else? Do you think is it better to start an entrepreneur or to continue their higher studies?
See, higher. This question is something typical you have asked me. I would suggest that if somebody is going for an education, if he is interested in going to a higher education, I would rather suggest him to do his education, complete his education, rather coming into business first.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Sheikh Abdul Khadir Jilani. Thank you for accepting me as a interviewer for your celebrity interview. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you very much, Mr. Rakib. All the best.